Alam nyo guys na super love ko nag-unboxing. Kaya naman, these days, grabe yung TikTok shop guys. Ang daming pinapadalang items sa akin. Wish granted. Thank you so much, Lord. And now, another item from TikTok shop. Let's open it. Ano kaya to? Oh! Been waiting for this item. This is an automatic magnetic steering cup. Been wanting to have this item guys. Talagang inantay ko and I'm so excited to use this and show it to you. I-open na natin. Nakaka-excite naman. Ang ganda ng color. Red and white. Look at that, guys. O, diba? Makikita mo sa taas yung temperature ng iyong drink. May strap. Ito yung kanyang charger. So, pag ginamit ko to guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, if you want this item guys, check out nyo lang. Nasa yellow basket ko.